Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to crochet the loop stitch, which works nice either as a decorative edging or for the main project. Chain 28 or any number you wish. I'm using an eye, hook, and medium weight yarn. Skip 3 chains and make a double crochet in the 4th chain. Make 1 double crochet across in each chain. Double crochet stitches space the rows of loops farther apart. You can do treble crochet or half double crochet or single crochet to make the loop rows closer together. Once completed, chain 1 and turn. You'll need to hold the yarn a special way for this stitch. The yarn needs to be in front of your pointer finger. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Grab the yarn like this and pull it through. Grab the yarn again and pull it through both loops. Release the loop. That's 1 loop stitch. Insert into the next stitch. Grab the yarn and pull through. Grab the yarn and pull through. We're basically making single crochet stitches with the large loop at the back. Here's the next loop. Continue this across the row. For the next row, we're going to chain 3 and turn. Make a double crochet in the next stitch and in every stitch across. Chain 1 and turn your work. Make loop stitches in each of the stitches on this row. With practice, the loops will become nice and even. For the next row, we'll begin again with the chain 3 and make 1 double crochet starting in the next stitch and in each stitch across. You can see how the loops are a bit farther apart because of the double crochet rows. From now on, just alternate the loop stitch rows with the double crochet rows. And that's the loop stitch.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and please visit my website at Naztazia.com.